The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Morris County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgewater or near Somerville, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Dover, Madison, Hopancong, Bound Brook, Manville, Boonton, Orton, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, Peapack and Gladstone, Chester, Victory Gardens, Far Hills, and Martinsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 29 and 39. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 29 and 44. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 47. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris and Somerset.